In 2014, PreviewLabs was contacted by marketing production company 9 Yards to help prototype an experimental marketing experience for use at trade shows and live events, consisting of a physical cube that displays HD video streams across its interior faces, which can be interacted with through physical body movements. PreviewLabs produced a prototype that tracked the movements of players using the Microsoft Kinect and used those to control a rotating object, which was simultaneously displayed across multiple video streams. In order to develop without having access to the physical immersion cube used in the final product, PreviewLabs utilized multiple specially arranged monitors to simulate the multi-screen display.
So the Kinect is set up right here. We have a dedicated spot on the ground which represents the bottom of the immersion cube. You have to imagine this would actually be a screen, but while we test, we actually look at this screen to see how the movement translates. This dedicated mark on the ground is used as a way to trigger buttons.
So you can see like this is the limit of the screen, and you can see it corresponds with the upper edge of the monitor.
Included in the prototype is PreviewLabs' tuning system, which allows users to calibrate the position of the Kinect directly within the software itself. Simultaneously, 9 Yards developed a hardware proof of concept for the physical cube itself, and promptly began construction of the actual cube to its originally specified scale. Once all the pieces to the puzzle had been developed, PreviewLabs replaced its prototype assets with the specially created artwork provided by Voodoo Animation, bringing the full vision of the prototype to life. Finally, the efforts of PreviewLabs, 9 Yards, and Voodoo Animation resulted in a wonderfully immersive and impressive pitch for 9 Yards to show to their prospective clients.